Okay, now we're going to change the Tetris lamp. That's good.
So now what happens if I put the yellows together?
That one's good. I like that.
And then
Ah.
like that. And this stinks. Right?
Voila! It doesn't work.
I really screwed the pooch.
Oh, that's
Like
fun.
that.
That's fun. That's great. That's a new shape.
That's
I
a
like
new
that.
shape. Wait,
Good.
I'm going to change
Okay.
this. I'm going to put this over here.
Look at that.
And now I'm going to put this over here.
That was good too.
Now I'm going to put this
Ah,
over here.
clever.
Oh, poop. It's a little bit. That's a little bit dull.
No, but I like that. It's a little what?
Dull.
Dull the shape?
It's too neat.
Maybe you're right. But I like it. And that's the video.